Okay, range clear.
Next shooter, Captain Raymond Chuburan. Shooter, are you ready?
Ready.
Stand by. Pulot boy, make your work.
And kissing.
Pudong.
This is my beloved Joe,
Yeah. Tulugon ko sa
our guest.
Po ha?
Tapakis adong para ganahan sila mo alpa dong.
This is, you call this pambol area. Before you compete. You wanna practice, condition your...
Warm up.
You do about 20, 30 rounds.
Parin mo.
Normally, the competition is speed and accuracy. Here we use the pambol. So we just put the tape. So you see the holes? That's
Tira na
it.
Joe kay
Then
akong
we
pagmon.
put the tape. So when you
Break
shoot,
shot naman.
you can see because there's a hole.
Oh. Sa
You
kadya
can
Ay,
do
Ray.
about
lugar.
5-6 times before you throw it. I mean, in the States, you just use it there.
Ini holster sa akin singgitan di ko.
Oh, pinako diretso na.
Mr. Labrador.
Ikaw, dyan din ako. Kay mo na nakapabati.
Pose.
Oh, para mag-upload ba?
Shooter. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Stand by. Tapos